Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm David Ringstrom, a CPA in Atlanta, and welcome to Expediting Excel Introduction to Pivot Tables. Over the course of the next hour, my goal is to share with you a feature that often folks think is much more complicated than it truly is, which is the ability to create instant reports from lists of data in Excel. And so many times when we're working in Excel, it's on us to write formulas or copy and paste or massage data and arrange it into usable formats. And pivot tables remove all that drudgery in that as long as we start with a list that has been properly cleaned up, then we can instantly create reports just by clicking a few checkboxes with our mouse and dragging things around on the screen. And so another benefit to pivot tables is it's one of those rare instances in Excel where you truly cannot do any harm, because when you're working in a pivot table, you're working with a copy of your data. So there's nothing that you can do to the pivot table that's going to flow backwards and somehow compromise the original data that that pivot table is based on.